friends, welcome back to my channel Harchi Creations. In this video I would like to describe a very easy knitting stitch pattern. Friends, it is a embossed elastic seated rib stitch knitting pattern. Friends, it is reversible knitting pattern from both side, right side and from the wrong side. Both sides are identical, so it is a reversible knitting pattern. This pattern can be used for making any knitting project like scarf, cap, caul, jacket, etc. Friends, it is also very easy for the absolute beginners also. It is a only 2 rows repeat knitting pattern, and stitches needed for cast on are the multiple of 6 plus 1 extra stitch and plus 2 edge stitches. So let's start the tutorial. Friends, before starting the tutorial, if you really like my video, then please don't forget to subscribe my channel and press the bell icon to receive the notification of the upcoming video. Friends, please also share my video with your friends in your group and keep supporting me. Thank you. So friends, here I have cast on 27 stitches on my needle. 24 multiple of 6, 1 extra stitch, 25 plus 2 edge stitches, total 27 stitches. So let's start the first row of the pattern. Right side, slip the edge stitch. After that our pattern will be start, and the pattern is knit 1 stitch, yarn in front, purl 1 stitch. We will repeat this pattern in the whole row, and the repeat pattern is knit 1, purl 1, knit 1 and purl 1. So let's complete this row by applying the pattern knit 1, purl 1, knit 1, purl 1, knit 1, purl 1. So friends, in this way we will complete our first row by applying a pattern knit 1, purl 1. At the last I have 2 stitches, so yarn in back, knit the last 2 stitches. Second row of the pattern, wrong side, slip the edge stitch purlwise. After that yarn in back, knit 2 stitches, 1 and 2. After these 3 stitches our pattern will be start, and the pattern is yarn in front, purl 3 stitches, 1, 2 and 3, yarn in back, knit 3 stitches, 1, 2 and 3. We will repeat this pattern in the whole row. In starting, first is slip stitch, after that knit 2 stitches. After these 3 stitches pattern is start, and the pattern is purl 3, knit 3. So repeat the pattern, yarn in front, purl 3 stitches, 1, 2, 3, yarn in back, knit 3 stitches, 1, 2, 3. One more repeat, purl 3 stitches, 1, 2, 3, knit 3 stitches, 1, 2 and 3, 1, 2, 3 yarn in back, knit 3 stitches, 1, 2 and 3. So in this way our second row is complete by applying a pattern purl 3 knit 3. So friends, we will repeat our 2 rows for the desired length of the pattern. I hope you will like my video. Thank you for watching my video and enjoying knitting with us.